इस वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम एमएस एक्सेल से रिलेटेड कुछ बेसिक्स लेवल के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। तो चलिए अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पीएम द ट्यूटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which tab contains most of the formatting option in MS Excel 2010? Options are page layout, home or view. Right option is option B, that is home. Next question, question number 2, which group in home tab gives you option to promote number data in a worksheet? Options are hard to handle group, number group or resize group. Right option is option B, that is number group. Next question, question number 3. To delete a cell, you should click on dash button on the cells group in the home tab. Options are delete, remove or format. Right option is option A, that is delete. Next question, question number 4. To insert a blank row in a worksheet, you should click on the dash option in the insert button drop down menu. Options are insert sheet rows, insert row, insert sheet. Right option is option A, that is insert sheet rows. Next question, question number 5. To change the height of a row in a worksheet, you need to drag the button border of its. Options are adjacent row, column header or row header. Right option is option C, that is row header. Next question, question number 6. Which font style button will you use to make the text bold? Options are bold, italics or underline. Option is bold. Next question, question number 7. Which function finds the sum of the numbers in a selected cell range? Options are auto function, sum function or count function. Right option is option B, that is sum function. Next, question number 8. Which function finds the average of the numbers in a selected cell range? Options are average function, total function or sum function. Right option is option A, that is average function. Next question, question number 9. Which of these is an example of absolute addressing? Options are $A5, $A, $5, $5. Right option is option B, that is $A, $5. Next, question number 10. Which of these is an example of relative addressing? Options are C5, G$9, $C5. Right option is option A, that is C5. Next question, question number 11. Which type of data is sorted from A to Z or from Z to A? Options are textual data, numerical data or date and time data. Right option is option A, that is textual data. Next question, question number 12. Which type of data is sorted from oldest to newest data or from newest to oldest data? Options are textual data, numerical data or date and time data. Right option is option C, that is date and time data. Next question, question number 13. Which of these is not a type of chart in MS Excel? Options are pie chart, bar chart or data chart. Right option is option C, that is data chart. Next question, question number 14. The plot area of chart lie in the. Options are chart area, chart title or legends. Right option is option A, that is chart area. Next, question number 15. The vertical and horizontal lines in the plot area is called. Options are chart lines, grid lines or plot lines. Options is option B, that is grid lines. Next question, question number 16. What is used to represent a data series? Options are x-axis, y-axis or legends. Right option is option C, that is legends. Next question number 17. What informs us about the topic of a chart? Options are data series, axis title or chart title. Right option is option C, that is chart title. Next question, question number 18. Which tab contains options to format a chart? Options are Data tab, Format tab or Home tab. Right option is option B, that is Format tab. Thanks for watching the video. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं